Say goodbye to your skin problems and say hello to your smooth and rejuvenated skin. This kit consists of Nlighten Kojic Papaya with glutathione soap, Expol White Toner, and Jules Secret Cream for day and night. This rejuvenating set will help prevent pimples, help lighten dark spots, blemishes, and other discoloration. The all-new Jules and Nlighten Rejuvenating Skincare Kit is finally here.
I'm feeling myself.
Just follow these easy steps. For day, step 1, wet your face with water. Then wash your face with Nlighten Kojic Papaya with glutathione soap. Massage your face and lather onto skin in a gentle circular motion. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry with a clean towel. Step 2. After cleansing your face, gently apply a sufficient amount of Jules Secret Cream for day and spread evenly all over your face and neck area. And for night, step 1. Wash your face with Nlighten Kojic Papaya with glutathione soap. Massage your face and lather onto skin in a gentle circular motion. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry with a clean towel. Step 2. After cleansing your face, moisten a piece of cotton with Expol White Toner and apply gently in an upward and outward motion over the face. Do not apply to wounded skin and avoid areas near eyes and mouth. Step 3. After cleansing and toning, apply a sufficient amount of Jules Secret Cream for night on the face and neck area. Massage gently in a circular upward motion until fully absorbed. And you're done. Easy, right?
I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself.
Just follow these easy steps and continuously apply the Jules and Nlighten Rejuvenating Skincare to see visible results. Achieve glowing and smooth skin with Jules and Nlighten Rejuvenating Skincare.